Once a structure is outfitted with purlins and wall girts, wall braces can be added. From the vertical toolbar, select Bars. The Bars dialog displays. Under Properties, expand the bar type dropdown and select Simple Bar. Next, expand the section dropdown and select PR 25.4. Next, in the drawing area, select the foundation node of the first left wall of the bay. Then, select the node diagonal to it. In the Bars dialog, under Node Coordinates, enable Drag. This will expedite the placement of bars. Instead of defining individual nodes, you need only select the vertex points. Back in the drawing area, select the node at the bottom center of the initial rafter. Then, select the node at the top right of the second rafter. Next, select the foundational node of the first column of the right wall bay. To interrupt the drag, press Escape on your keyboard. Then, continue placing braces along the first bay of the structure, ensuring they intersect. Now the braces can be defined as pinned at the end. From the text menu, select Geometry, Releases. The Releases dialog displays. Now select all the wall braces. To do this, with one wall brace selected, right-click, and from the context menu, click Select Similar, select by cross-section. All the wall braces are selected in the drawing area. Select Pinned, Pinned, and then click Apply, and then click Close. Now the wall braces need to be copied to the last bay of the structure. To do this, select all the wall braces again. Right-click a wall brace, and from the context menu, click Select Similar, select by cross-section. All the wall braces are selected in the drawing area. Next, from the toolbar, select Move Copy. The translation dialog displays. With the number of repetitions set to 1, in the drawing area, select the foundational node on the initial column, and then select the foundational node on the penultimate column. The wall braces are copied to the last bay. From the translation dialog, click Close.